I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living in search of help, and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. No, 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 no. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Da 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 da. I'm living on social help and I'm doing nothing, pretty much nothing. Na 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 na. I'm doing nothing. Nothing. Na 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 na. I'm completely destroyed today more than yesterday. I'm not sure the reason. Ah. Ooh. Hello there. Hello. How are you doing? I need coffee. I need really coffee. Yes, I know that it seems that a train hit me, but I'm good. I would like to have your vitality. But don't worry, my superpower is coffee. I'm going to be better afterwards. Yeah, bro, how are you doing? I'm happy you are here. Um, Yesterday, for what is concerned informatics, I fought against two enemies. I won against one with some help, but I understood. And the second enemy was the class again. And you know, there were 7 battles. I won 5 battles, but the last 2 battles were unluckily lost. But today, if you are here, at the end, we can fight again. We won against one. I won the next 4 battles in a row, but the last 2 are still there to conquer. Let's say that I lost, yes, but I prefer to use I learn because it's better for my pride. But anyhow, I should not take it so personally, but it helps me to see it like an intellectual challenge. Okay. So, what it concerns us? Oh, just 2 people. I feel alone. I'm doing nothing, absolutely, absolutely nothing, till somebody is going to come. Somebody more is going to come. No. I'm joking, but yesterday I was a little bit satisfied, endly, because we have reached a lot of people, so let's hope today is going to be a great day. Let's see. We're going. Yeah, okay, here maybe it's bigger. We are going to do the transform step of extract transform load. So extract transform load is a fancy way of saying we have some craft
legacy data over in this system, and now we need it in this shiny new system over here. So we are going to migrate this. Migration, typically this is followed by we are going to need to run these ones. That's then typically followed by much forehand slapping and moaning about how stupid we could possibly be. Oh, uh, uh, competing with me in stupidity, it's pretty hard. Yes. The goal. We're going to extract some Scrabble score from a legacy system. The old system stored a list of letters per score. Here you are. The shiny new Scrabble system, I don't think it's better than the old one, but if they say, they are right. The shiny new Scrabble system instead store the scope per letter, which makes it much faster and easier to calculate. The score for a word, if you said, okay, I trust you. It also stored the letter in lowercase regardless of the case of input letters. I don't know why, okay. Your mission you should choose to accept it, is to transform the legacy data format to the shiny new format, and then they say that in other countries, for example, E is 2 points instead of 5 and stuff like that, which is not so concerning us. I'm back. Sorry. If there is still, oh, Cerebros went away probably. You are not here, Cerebro, anymore. Okay. Yes, I'm here. And my chat works. You know what? For unknown reasons, sometimes this chat doesn't work in this page. So sometimes I open and is everything deleted for no reason. So it means I have ghosts also inside my computer. Not only there are ghosts here in Exorcism, but I know that you are a good Ghostbuster. So I have a look to the test. Oh, sorry, is this one? I was a little bit confused. So we receive legacy data, which is written like this, and we have to go back data. So I open a new dictionary, which I call data, and I open it. I started it like a void one. Good. Now let's say that I have this structure, which is a number and a list. It's a dictionary with a number as first element and a list, or there is a key which is a number and a value that is a list of strings. So I have for score, which are the numbers, scores and letters in legacy data. But I cannot use it like that. I need to transform it into tuple with items. Otherwise it's not accessible, and it will say something on the line, it is a mistake, is not hashable, I guess, but I cannot promise it because yesterday I made so many mistakes. I don't remember all the issue that went. I don't know. So as first step, we run into this one, but we have still a list, so it would be another 4 in order to visit this list. So for letter in letters. And then what is going to happen is we have to put everything that we have in legacy in data, but with some transformation, because the first one would be, instead of a capital letter, a smaller letter. So for sure we have that data, and then we should insert this letter, but this letter should be small, and we can treat it, I guess, like a string, because it is a string, and I say lower. And in here, for a letter which is lower, I should add score, all the scores till the end. If I don't forget anything, if you go out from these 4, wait a second, is it okay? Because you know what, I guess Python is very touchy when it comes to indentation. Oh, it has a character return data. If it's wrong, I'm going to see what I made as mistake, don't worry. And I apologize for my mistake, I don't think I'm perfect. So letters is not defined in letters. You have letters in letter. Letters is not defined. Name letters is not defined. Oh, great, another mistake. From letter in letter, score letters. Letters. I need to see what is going on. Wait a second. This is a mystery. No, it's my note, but it's not that I want to share every time everything. Lettering letters. Legacy data items. You go for name letters is not defined. Wow. In the letter in legacy data items. Letter in letters. Dictionary letter law. And you go like my dictionary. Okay. Well, I don't understand. Letter is not defined. Any idea? It seems really that I used the solution they wanted. I start the dictionary for in legacy data items for lettering letters, letter lower. Okay, I see the mistake. It's me being an idiot. It's a method. So that was the first mistake. Good. But it doesn't like these letters. In letters. Okay. And the second one is a typo. And we have done it. We have done it with two little step. You have done it. Submitted it. And we achieve the 31.4%, which makes us a little bit stronger. For people, I love you. Yes, Amir. Here you are, and other people has come. Please, please, people, connect with all your device. Please, please, from your mobile phone, from your radio, from everything you have. Please connect, follow me, support me, and so we have seen I won this battle, and we have understood that I need to prepare. I need to study even during the evening. So were just two little mistakes. Once I wrote lettuce. I don't know even how to say instead of letters. Another one I didn't consider something as a method. But I'm still here and still fighting. Fighting the ghost from Python. Cerebro, have you read My Little Gift? It was... And then I share the battle that I have with OOP yesterday. Not yet, planning to do during the weekend. Okay. Then you have to be sincere. If I have to stop my career about writing, I try. But as J.K. Rowling said once, well, I was 30 and I thought I failed on an epic scale. And then you see, she rise from rock bottom till the stars. So, you never know. I still hope. And now I show you I could, okay, looking at the solution, checking books, checking online, making all the mistakes possible. I solved the 31.4% of all the exercise. That we can reach also probably today 32 with your help. Let me put some cream because my skin is shitty. And then we can keep fighting. There are 7 little smaller exercises in OOP. We have finished the first one, do you remember, yesterday? And then I fought hard last night. I won other 4 battles. The last 2 I lost. But today it's another day. Let's forget the frustration from yesterday and keep fighting and show this fucking program how stubborn I can be. And you can say everything about me, But if you say that I'm not stubborn, I take it personally and I would revenge. Okay. One should be proud of his mistakes, flaws. Not yet. During the weekend. Thank you, by the way. So, Cerebro, are you ready for this challenge? Try not to beat me, but consider my goodwill. I put a lot of goodwill, and yesterday I went to bed being a little bit happy because 4 battles I won alone, 1 with your help, so 5 battles, and a half because there are 2 tests in the 6th exercise, and one works, the other doesn't work, and the 7th exercise is completely wrong. So, okay, it will be okay. Okay, let's start to fight. Okay, this one is done. You see, we go to see the aliens right now. So I say, see, 2nd one, 3rd one, 4th one, 5th one. Alien counter. Alien counter, the 6th. Alien has come back with new request. Ellen, sorry, alien. Ellen, which is an alien, I don't know, has come back with a new request for you. She wants to keep track of how many aliens have been created over the game's lifetime. She says that it's got something to do with the scoring system. The scoring system. Who knows what she means? But it seems you create an alien in position x5 and x5, x is 5 and y is 1, and then you use the method total aliens created on the object alien 1, and you see the alien 1. You create another one, you use this same method, and it says the 2nd one, and so on. But it's possible to use this with an object that you create, but also with the class directly. Accessing the variable from the class directly. And what I did was this one, but it doesn't like. I thought till the alien exists, but I'm sure that can be wrong. I increase the number. Or should I recall again the method? I don't know. Is it recursive? I have no clue. Then I check for desperate people. For desperate people, they said alien counter. Alien attributes are same across all distance of the class. I already don't understand you, but ideally this count would increment whenever somebody made a new alien. Which is what I was trying to write in while, or it is an if, I don't know. Class attributes can be changed from an instance method by using the class name. Alien class attribute name. Init is considered an instance method since it initializes a new object. Yes, what do you think? Don't leave me alone with this. And what is happening while I try to run the test is the first test pass, but the second one no. Expect total aliens created to be equal 1. Instead, equals to total aliens created. So we don't create an alien actually. I know that I'm going to the church and I say bad things against God, but I have no clue what can I do and what they want especially. Zero. So they add this alien to a sort of alien list with the where they add them. If alien is bigger than 0, is an alien. It's not even that. Because I don't aliens. Alien in aliens. It's a list. If this alien list is increased, then we should increase this number. But if aliens is created, that makes me sick. Okay, sorry, you said something. I'm coming to you. I think you need to make a class variable that increments it when you call the constructor. Oh God, you know what? I'm sure you are very good in explaining, but I have hard time to go back to OP. I think you need to make a class variable and increment it when you call the constructor. I'm going to do what I understand from what you said. So you think I need what was it? I think you need to make a class variable. Would you say something like this? Self.number, and I started with 0, and then I what? Probably would be exactly what I did with health, because I don't need it here. Fear of the dark. He doesn't. But something should trigger this one. Yeah, going back. No, that will have instant scope. You increment it in the construction, not in your getter. Haha, it's a getter. Haha, you increment in your construction. I'm sorry, I have too many things open. So you would write it like here. Oops, sorry. And here you go. Would you do something like this? If you can see it. Okay. I try it. Oops! I destroy everything. Not sure. Me either. You see, I destroy everything. I think I tried this one even yesterday evening. So that was the first challenge. And let's say that, but not as a parameter. I'm going back. I think you need to define a number as well, but not as parameter. Like, it's not a parameter, but like self-health I did. And I start with 0. I think I have already done this self number. It doesn't. Please, I try all the possibilities. Okay, now you can see my face. I'm not sure what you do. I was so sorry not to be able to finish, and I think I don't miss much. And you know what? I have the feeling, maybe I'm wrong, that they want us to do this type of things seemingly, but for other stuff. I mean, how we should create aliens instead of having my class. But it should be like this, because this one, if you have a look, I have already here done, and it works. We have something like self increment and a number that keeps growing. So I even try to do the same self, like my class, My class is alien. Right. Alien. And then I remove this one, but I don't think it works. Oh god. I even destroy everything by doing that. Uh-oh. The concepts are a bit different in Python. There is another level, class variable, which are known in all instances. To me it's like Arab. But if we can chase this, oh okay, at least nothing has been destroyed. If we can solve today this problem, I want somebody to offer me money. I want somebody to offer us money. Sorry, I will give you half. There was a message before that one. Oh, okay. I'm going to talk Java, but it's important to know the difference. Sorry. I lost a lot of your message. I'm going to talk Java, but it's important to know the difference in scope between variables. A parameter is what comes in a method. A variable is what you store something inside your method. A field is a variable on instance level, so it's known all methods. The concepts are a bit different in Python. There is another level, class variable, which are known in all instances. Okay. Yes, it's typical of me losing part of what you say, so please. But not as a parameter, so. I'm thinking to do something that I find in this book. It's a trial, so no guarantee. I start with an initial value, which is number. But then how do they attack these things? The example is finished. Shit. In this case, number is used as a parameter for the construction, isn't it? You are trying with the same exercise with Java, aren't you? Class my class variable 0. Message don't support new lines. Can you give me a little bit more concept to just show the difference? Okay. The first one is Java. The second one is Python, if I'm not wrong. Class variable 0. Message don't support new lines. Ah, okay. Example was Python. My class. Ah, class variable, okay. The first one is a variable from the all the class, the other one are parameter from the constructor. Uh, I don't know. I don't want to surrender every time. Fuck. The ghosts are bad. Really bad ghosts. Okay, if I do this, if I put it as a parameter, I cause something like the Civil War. If I put like 1, there is already 1. Consider to be 0. Yes, that makes sense. And if I start it like number 1, it's the same. Exactly the same mistake. Oh, gosh. Sorry, my nose is funny today. I'm going to ask the help from more intelligent people than me very soon. Or there is something to create the alien. Maybe it's a method that I have already written and I don't realize it. Can it be? Teletransport is alive. If alien is alive, who knows? Let's search. Next time we are going to be lucky. Sorry. What was this meat? Total alien creates it. 0. It was so easy. I cannot believe it. And I thought to do this. What it does is started with totally alien created like 0, and somewhere it is said he creates an alien. Oh, even like this. Oh, probably because it's not indented. Yoo-hoo! Alien is not defined, or alien like this. Alien is not defined. You know what is an alien, come on. I have too many things open as usual. Track Python exercise. So exercise, syllables, exercise, aliens, aliens game, community solution, total alien creating 0, alien total, okay, this increase, sure, total alien created, and this one can work even with alien with capital letter, I guess. Alien doesn't alien total. It's inside the constructor, like you said. Probably it's inside the constructor, I guess. Indentation is wrong also because I have a problem with my eyes. I cannot see straight. It's inside the construction, isn't it? Yes, it was inside the construction. Like you said. So inside the construction you can call the class name and an attribute which belongs to the class. Is it so? Am I right? Am I wrong? I can be wrong. Huh? Lol, yes, that's what I was saying. Sorry, I'm very intuitive. So, we have still one enemy to fight. Do you want to fight it together, please? It's the last enemy. Then I will need to offer you coffee. Ellen loves what you have done so far. I start to hate her. 7 help, she asked. You have done so far, but she has one more favor to ask. Fuck you. Sorry, yes, please. She would like a standalone outside the alien class function. Okay, we are out of the outside the alien class, so we are outside here. Function that create a list of alien object given a list of position as tuple. For example, blah blah blah. She would create a list. A list would be like this, I guess. But you should add to the list. I don't think it's going to. The new alien Position required, position on alien start positions. So what I did, sorry. Alien start position. That's where you are. So, alien start position is a tuple, and from this tuple you need to build a list. Tuple would be a single parameter. Alien constructor takes two parameters. Unpacking what is inside a tuple would yet two parameters. Standalone function is outside a class. Okay, I've written outside a class. Didn't I? The problem is how to unpack a tuple and create a list. Okay, I'm not the only one searching for it. What? Okay, unpacking it. Green, yellow, red. Unpacking it. Have you written something? Oh, I have hallucination. I see things. Nobody has done, nobody has said. So I'm packing a tuple. Okay, there is this tuple. And then you said maybe alien alien it's the list of tuple. Shit. So I'm checking in the wrong part, because I thought I can do this, and I said it's the list. So I need a four maybe. 4 blah 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 in alien start position for tuple for coordinate so confused. At the beginning there was the cows, yes. I want my grandmother. She would know how to solve this. I don't. Alien start position is not defined. Positions. You cannot unpack not literable type object. because there is it's a list, as you say, it is a list. Unpack a list of tuple in Python. They even search this, so and list, unzip a list of tuple. A list of the is zip. They use zip. Oh. I know that it exists, but shit. Don't even use list. And use zip. Using zip and operators is to perform unzipping, and then they save into a list. And we need to go back. What do we need to go back? We need to go back, not a list. We need to go back. Class. Function that creates a list. No, that creates a list of alien objects. Would be a list, okay. So list, and then you unpack with zip. Zip, and then I studied this before. I should know them, but there are so many rules. Alien, and then return alien. Please be nice to me. No, thank you. A list of alien objects. Must. There is some conceptual problem with me. Should be considered object. Map, even map. Map is something I have studied in Clojure, or try to study in Clojure. Coming to answer. Why do you want to unpack something? You can just use the object in a list. You can just use the object in a list. But Muta, they say unpacking what is inside a tuple would. That's why. You said I could. It's a list. You go the first one. You go like alien start position first, and then between square brackets, first, second, third, and all of these. That was you mean? Must be crazy, but I would just do. Yes, that's a kind of thing that I was thinking about. Yes, I'm sure that if. Now I'm coming back to you, so you can see my face. I'm not a top model, sorry. I'm sure if I check the solution now, I would have to say, yes, you are right, it could be done even this way. I don't know, I have really this feeling. So you see that I didn't invent anything. I'm not. I mean, I'm mad, but not about that. If they suggest me something, they are like a bad guy in the classroom. They suggest me something that is wrong. Now I'm going to check it to the teacher, and she will whip my ass. Unknown? Eh? What? Collision detection, known. Okay. Ah, okay. But there are not all the solutions, I guess. New aliens. Okay. Ah, okay. Defined before. Okay. Map, lambda, position. What? Okay, there is something with map. You can do it with map. I have seen somewhere. Map for unzipping. Oh shit. Position 3. Is anybody who have? Yes, that's pretty much what you said. For position in positions, and they make this. It was a 4 cycle, and when you have to create a list with a 4 cycle, you can go, or it's better to go like this. For so you go inside the list. You could make a lambda be consumer. You know, the lambda are very dangerous with me. So what he did is what it is for alien star for position in alien start position, and here before he creates the list would be position 1, position 2 would be alien start position zero comma, I guess. I don't know what is the and then he wrote before of everything return. It doesn't like this because of what? What is your problem? Ah, alien. Okay. We have alien before of everything because you are outside of the class, I guess. Doesn't like alien position is positions. Everywhere I said I wrote position. Good for me. I'm consistent. So this one doesn't like it. Why? But first element is 0. So what? What is the is your issue with me? Position in position. List of the coordinate. Okay. List is the position of the object. The position one. For position in position. Okay, this one should be here. For I love you. I really love you. Who knows how much I love you. You said that I could solve it with lambda. Now I'm going to say yes. You are completely right. Ooh, my God! I open 94 new concept. Okay, I will have exercise also for my great grandchildren. I'm going to save everything, and then I can try with lambda, but lambda is something that I always say yes. Yes, lambda is fantastic. Oh, shit, what is this one? New or solution. Thank you. He didn't copy it. All green. Okay. Attributes class alien. The problem is called Alien game, and it's about class. Aliens. Alien game. Class. Be nice to me. So this is how it looks at the end. Go to preparation 0 and 1, and you go for all this one in this one. So you write the first and the second. You create x and y. You have to call it because you are outside of alien. Okay. And you go for all the list of tuple. But he said that, or you said, and I'm going to, you could make a lambda b consumer. Lambda is something about anonymous function, isn't it? And if you have a look here, there was something about maps, zip, but you call it lambda b consumer. It's something about Java. Lambda b consumer, but in Python. Do they exist? Yes, in Python 3. And function to return into B consumer. Ooh, uh, let's blow a little bit my mind. Sorry, I'm trying to work out this. Wrong place. So something, but that's Java, isn't it? But it does the black magic that turns B consumer into consumer of functions. Java Lambda, okay. But I say Python. Map and B consumer function lambda. Yeah, in Python, please. In Python. That's either Java or not sure. I would need a link. I don't know if you are still here between us. I'm losing people. Don't go away. Don't leave me alone with the bad Python. Exorcism. If you give me a link, maybe one day I can go back and show, okay, people, there is also this solution if you prefer. And maybe people can be happy. It's all about making people happy in here. And battling against very bad warrior. Since we fight very hard, we reach 32.1 today, and 123 exercise done here. But yes, definitely I need to read the chapter about class, because I'm really lost in the darkness. Oh, and now all the concepts are open up, even in the fillables, which makes me... I have no concept locked. Everything is open. And now... and now you can see the sun. So let's say that the first one is done. The second one is in battle. There is a strong battle. Tomorrow I want to do run length encoding, because I found in Wikipedia there is the solution, which is okay. No, I found this one. Maybe I can find the solution, but there is also this sieve or sieve, I don't know, and they show also the algorithm with pseudocode. Maybe I can have a look this evening, and tomorrow I can have an epic battle against. And in the meantime, during the weekend, I would need to read all the chapter about EOP because I succeed at the end, but I needed to look at the solution. Which one we were the first one we were kind of getting it. You more than me, Cerebro, right? The second one was like no idea, but yeah, we are here to learn also. Lambda big consumer. Probably you are not here. I have to write a note. First thing to do during the weekend, OOP. And lambda BE consumer. And after finish those monsters, I can eat. It was an epic battle. So probably I'm going to do sieve tomorrow. Where is sieve? It's about set. And fantastic syllabus is here. My god. Python is biting me in any position. If I fight Ling from the left side or the right side, it's the same. It bites, it pulls my hair. But we have everything unlocked. During the weekend, maybe. Also anagram handly to know how it works. Acronym, anagram, word count. Available 78 exercises. That's a big responsibility to keep it up. I'm back. Yes. Sorry. I'm happy to have you back. I wanted to ask you if you can give me a link, please, about Lambda B Consumer. Apparently, it's really easy to make that collection. Just try in my editor. Because I don't understand what you mean about Lambda Consumer, B Consumer. It's about anonymous functions, or I'm lost? Alien X. Let me try. So maybe I can put it a little bit more understandably for the last time. Where you are? Lost it. Okay. Ellen, I can you see, it has opened a lot of things. Binary search tree. Oh god, POV. Gigasecond is done even with... That's why I couldn't do it. That's explain a lot of things. Robot name, phone number, Queen attack. Okay, but let's go back. Alien. Start position. Can I write instead of alien start position X and Y? Start position X, Y. For X in collection. I guess this function wants only one parameter. Can it be? It's a tuple. But I can write it as a note. Yes, you can replace the alien position with X and Y. Okay. Okay. Thank you. What? Oops. Wrong column. Yes, thank you. And that I would understand it better than all of the other crazy things. At the end of the day, those exercises are easy. They are right to say it's easy stuff. It's not even called labeled as easy. Those are really exercises that you start to do. Oh, see? But they open a war. That's the beginning of the Android war. between, I guess, Great Britain and France. 41 exercise. But that gives me an idea. If I go here, I should see all the exercise that can be done with a concept. So when I start, for example, this exercise, I don't know where to go. I go to all of the initial exercise and I can see what they can use and be inspired. I'm not a human being. I'm a troublemaker. Powerful notation. You see, I have a light that is. I even write it down because I'm going to. I have good ideas and then I forget it. Commercial. No, 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 no. Tell me when you are back. Please, 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 please. Back. Okay. So, for example, let's see if I get it. I'm having big trouble to understand. Oh my god, it opens up the war. The flat array. Let's see if flat array is here. In here there is everything pretty much flat. No, flat is not here. The flat array is here. So I should use some concept. Ooh, flat array, here you are, flat array. It's about list, dictionary, loops, set, classes, unpacking and multiple assignment. There is everything possible. So I should go back to all these problems. And I'm going to write it down for me. Flat an array. Oh, okay. ATL, it was about dictionary Flat array goes after everything because it's something that I've never been able to solve. Flat array would be a battle for the next 2 weeks. I do have to go to lunch too. I have a meeting in half hour. Thank you for all your help. Enjoy your meal, and we'll see next time, which is I hope tomorrow. If not, thank you for all your help. That was very, 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 very nice. I hope you enjoyed the book. If not, it is a gift. It comes from my heart. So, and yeah, it was a quite informative day. See you. Bye bye. I will let you know about the book. And if you discover something about the flat array, just because for the sake of the adventure, we'll see each other next time. Ciao. Na, na, na. Oh, people have written. Ciao, 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 ciao. So, I would like to eat something. Let's see if in LinkedIn somebody is going to see what I did yesterday or the day before yesterday. Yeah, I would like to eat something. What can I eat? people that are making crazy jobs are looking at me. I feel important as much as I can be important. Ding. Um. Choo, choo, choo. No, 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 no. Hello, how are you doing? So, I'm happy you are here. This is Alessandra. Welcome in the chat room. It is all good and fine. I survived to this battle. In this channel, I try to solve one, sometimes two exercises per day in Python. And about me, I'm Alessandra and I come from Italy. I live in Germany. As you can see, I try to make a living out of it. Maybe one day I will succeed. I like horror and fantasy, which is why I wrote an horror fantasy book. It's called Scala Cristallo, Crystal Stairs. And I need to check you a little bit. 90 followers you have. So you're from Portugal. Welcome here. I remember you from someone chat told you would going to find you online but forgot where. Anyhow, if you I already put you as my friend. Yes. It was a channel about music and a lot of people with you add me as a friend, other 4 people, but nobody came at the end. So, today I finished 2 exercises, which is good, and we have learned even something more. I have find also some helpers because I don't really explain anything. I try exercise and I want to let people know that if I can do it, everybody can do it. I'm working on Java, PDF, output bug, sad life. So, but at least you are working. I'm unemployed. It was a long and sad story, which I'm trying to forget. But yes, I went to a training program 3 years long. It was luckily not just informatics. And we have learned C# a little bit in the school, but the school was not that good. Plus, I'm not a German native speaker, so I had my troubles. And Clojure, which is not used by pretty much, it's not known and not used program. So I'm trying to solve Python exercise to show people online, and maybe something is going to happen, something is coming out from there. But anyhow, I stream in the morning. I would like to stream more, but in the afternoon I'm learning, because one of my idea is becoming a teacher, or at least receiving a teacher training. The very long goals from the future is producing Udemy's course, because I was so mad, and I was so mistreated, and I don't want to say anything more about working in office, and I don't know, man, if I want to work for somebody. People never trust me, but if they have to betray me, they don't think twice. So it's it's an hard life, definitely. But today I'm happy because I saw two exercise. You came here, I find a new friend, and maybe this project is going to work a little bit more. Maybe you never know. And you will be the first one from Portugal, and I'm hoping that the English language will help me a bit. But pretty much, I can show you the website. Well, I study user management and Windows and Ubuntu system. I never studied programming. I learned to program PHP, React, JavaScript by myself, self-taught. Yes, but probably you are a genius. I'm stupid. So this is the syllabus. I found this website, and as you can see, there are different concepts. Concepts are, for example, basic, numbers, bools. And I have at least a check, a green check, which means the exercise is done and all the tests are working for every concept considered, at least in this free course, which I suggest to everybody. It's very good. If you have money, donate it. I don't have money, I don't donate, but I hope it will survive 2023. And about Python, there are 137 exercises. I did 44, which makes me a little bit more than one third of the course. I keep fighting every single day. During the weekend, I recharge my battery in order to fight harder. I'm survivor, poor. Now I work as junior develop. You are better than me. It seems that nobody trusts me. And I don't have a career. I have had a series of tragedy, one after the other. Uh, Keep this in mind. Well, what should I keep in mind? To win, you need to learn how to lose. About losing, I really have muscle, very powerful muscle. So, as you can see, I'm even laughing, so I don't. About that, no problem. But I'm happy you are here. Come back soon. And you know what? Trust yourself. Believe in good things. I want to show you something. You can do it. I'm not or not doing. So, this is my book. It's a fantasy book I have written as an experiment. Now I'm trying to develop even these writing skills, and I translate it also in Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese. I don't know the difference between the two languages, but generally speaking, I think Italian people can understand in a better way Brazilian Portuguese. Sorry about that, than the other one, but I don't speak the language, unluckily. If you want, it's there is the English version, the Italian version. I have also for you, for Portuguese people, for Brazilian people. Maybe Portuguese can understand Brazilian. Sorry, I'm stupid. There is the audio version, so you can, I don't know, clean your home and enjoy my nightmares. That is the title. Bad idea brings bad feeling and bad things. Ah, you believe in the law of attraction. It's not I believe it's science. More than that. I have always ideas how to create things and stuff, but in the last 8 months, tragedy after tragedy. I was operated twice. I removed two teeth, and I removed a cystic ear. Not removed, but it was full of I don't know what stuff, and they removed this internal stuff. Well, Brazilian was created by Portuguese. Only small words and how you say it's different. My English is killing me. I speak. I try to speak as much as I can. Rephrase. Oh, okay. You say that small things can make huge difference, and even how you say it. Matters. I guess. But Portuguese people generally speak very good English. I know that. So anyhow. Tomorrow, if I am very lucky, I'm going to deal with this exercise. I didn't have a look very intensively so far, but if I can manage to study it, I'm going to try tomorrow. It will be not perfect, but as I say, I'm still learning. Discord. Do you want my Discord? I'm going to give it to you. Wait a second. Probably they don't work this Discord stuff, but it doesn't matter. Discord. Huh? Okay, let me 1 second. I give you my Discord. I never find where is the Discord. I'm in a very strange Discord group called Quelli del Cactus, which means people that live around a cactus, because that's the only type of flower or plants that survive my action. Okay, I found it. Where you are? If I need help, let me know. I have all day. Here are my Discord. And I can hear you. You have arrived. Hello people. I'm also in Telegram if you want me. We can reach new people and be much more powerful. Telegram I don't use. Okay, don't use Telegram. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. It's all fine and good. And I can start to eat. I made Discord for I made Discord Insta for please. I support because I normally don't use social. I only make those to be in contact with you guys. Okay. Now it comes my Telegram for if there is anybody who wants to join us. I don't remember my account, okay. But you are a kind of generous type of guy, aren't you? You cannot care less, but you do too, in order to help people. I'm a helper, that's my goal. Which is something that I want to do even as well. I want to show people that if you really try hard, you can learn coding. I'm not a genius, I'm not special in any way, shape or form in this sense. Ciao Drago, ciao! Hello, no worry yet. How are you doing? As soon as you arrived, she starts flying to say hello. Hello, no worry yet. This is Chubekina. You should learn React, JavaScript. I found more to get it started. I studied JavaScript and I'm beginning of my training. JavaScript, and it was more HTML and CSS. I don't like them so much, but React, JavaScript. Okay, let me check if there is in I open everything. I know I'm a man. What I hate about myself is that I'm messy. I'm messy without any possibilities to be. I think I should go to an analyst. I'm very messy. And then I get hysterical when it's too messy, so that's bad character. I wanted to check if you can see the program you suggest me to learn, because there are so many. If you TypeScript, no. Just to ask if it's in here. Anyhow, if you have any money and if you want to help me, you can donate here to Exorcism, because they help me and it's everything free for me, and it's a way to support me indirectly. I'm reading you all. I'm reading you all. I read that stuff. It seems like a stream of cards. I'm going through going from metaphor to reality, then reaction, finally acceptance. Give me that site name. I will try to find it for you. Okay. Doing. Exorcism. Not have react there. Okay. So today what we did was solving two exercises. It was a very messy day about classes in Python. I think they are kind of sick when it comes to how to deal uh, with tuple and list of tuple. I start to bang my head against the wall. Anyhow, no area yet. How was your day? When you get at the bottom of all the green checks, you get a diploma. I don't know. Actually, I start 8 course, and this one is the better one, the best one, in which I reach the 32%. But I hope so. If not, it doesn't matter. But you are right, it should be certified. I'm a Ghostbuster of Python. You have Udemy. I've, I made some Udemy course about Clojure. Okay, I can try. Code Sandbox or Stack Blitz. Okay. Thank you for the suggestion. stuck, please. They don't teach you how to make, they give you all the tools to test and make it happen. Okay. Maybe I can use in the future this one, or use a little bit exorcism and then the other stuff. I would need, in this case, to change a little bit our streaming, and to change, to put more than one informatic label. Ciao Dragon. My chat doesn't work. Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Don't take this the wrong way. Just seeing some tools and that you can use is very good. Oh, I trust you. I don't take things personally. You don't know me. I generally don't think badly, or I don't take most of things personally. If it's not something like an intellectual challenge, which means a lot of people insult me during my life, and when I react, it was to prove that I was not a fool. So probably the worst thing that you can say me is, you are a fool, you cannot prove your intelligence. And then my fantasy open up. But I was called prostitute and a lot of stuff like that. I was called bitch. I was called bloody bastard, shitty bloody bastard, which is kind of something that represents me. Yes, I'm a shitty kind of bastard. I'm a very revengeable person. No problem. And you don't know probably right now, nowhere near yet, but he could tell you a lot of things that happen here in Twitch with some Italian guy. It's a very long story. Ended up with me going to the police, going to a lawyer. You treat yourself well. Oh my god, yes, because I received a message in which there was written something on the line, die, shitty whore, I know where you live, I'm coming after you, and then they were talking shit about me, and then they were threatening me of sexual violence. So You can imagine. Those people are gentlemen. To me, they are not even men. Oh, damn. So, this channel has a very strong history. But today we were ready to fight against classes, to fight against TOEFL. And I have no worries about that because my lawyer sent them a kind of fees to pay, and if they don't pay these fees, he will sue them. It would be not a problem between me and them. It would be a problem between one of them and my lawyer. So he had to pay 627 euros. And that is to say that women are also human beings. I'm sure of it. Why don't use this pink image as black background and center your cam and put the gift on bottom side? I'm not sure I understand you. Just asking. I know that you are asking. I don't know how you would put my image. Why don't you use this pink image, which is down below, as background, and center your cam and put gifs on the bottom side? Because I don't know how to do it. For example, I changed all these images that you see at least 12 times. Are you using OBS? Yes, sure. Because I was trying to please everybody, and then they make me change this red monster color at least 10 times. I use Elise. Now I came to the point that I have enough to change it. Easy. Easy. If there is a tutorial, I will try. Don't think it is a wrong way. I'm just saying some tools you can use. Okay. No, okay. My chat goes back to the past, back to the future. Yes. I try to show you by taking prints of it. Okay, we don't have to do everything today. Anytime you need, you can ask. Okay. Oh, for me, we can change also this configuration another time. No problem. I'm checking who is online. I check everything. You are under my control. I can be a bit annoying. I mean, me as well. Me either. It depends on situation. So, people. Right now, I can suggest to make a raid for somebody. You play chess? Oh no, let's raid. Oh, I don't know the rules, but I would like to be able to play chess. Why this question? I would be happy to. I'll just ask me. Okay. So, thank you for staying with me. Please come back tomorrow. I would love to have everybody with me. Don't escape as soon as I say see you tomorrow. Please don't do that. I will be around. Thank you. That's very nice. So, I'm going to rate. He's a very good guy, I guess. You need suggestion for it or you get it. Today I know what to do. He's very good in my opinion. But in the future, I will be more than ready to receive suggestions. Bye bye. Bye.